Stop wearing the wrong watch to the wrong occasion. Here's how to get it right with these three best mechanical watches money can buy. First, the Orient Kamasu, retailing near $300 to $400. This Japanese-made automatic dive watch punches well above its price class, with a 41.8 mm stainless steel case, sapphire crystal, and 200 meters water resistance. It runs on Orient's in-house caliber F6922, which hacks and handwinds, offering around 40 hours of power reserve. The Kamasu's clean dial, bold markers, and rotating bezel give it a classic dive watch look that suits casual outings and sporty occasions alike, making it a fantastic value for mechanical watch enthusiasts. Second, the Seikko Prospect Samurai SRPL 53, about $660. This 41.7 mm automatic dive watch features a robust stainless steel case, a unidirectional rotating bezel with a vibrant blue insert, and a textured dial with lumi-bright hands and markers for excellent legibility underwater. Powered by Seikko's reliable Caliber 4 R35 automatic movement with a 41-hour power reserve, it offers solid performance and durability with 200 meters water resistance. The Samurai's angular, sharp design and versatile style make it perfect for both adventure and everyday wear. Third, the Brightling NaVi timer, starting around $9,000 for entry-level models. The NaVi timer is an aviation legend, instantly recognizable by its slide rule bezel and busy dial packed with chronograph functions. Powered by Breitling's in-house automatic movements, it combines technical sophistication with refined styling. Its 43 mm case and iconic design make it perfect for formal events, business settings, or whenever you want to showcase horological heritage and precision. Want to see more timepiece videos like this? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss one of our videos.